Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of vegetarian miso soup. The main difference from traditional versions lies in the dashi or broth. Instead of using fish-based bonito flakes, we'll create a rich, savory dashi from kombu, a type of dried kelp, and dried shiitake mushrooms. This simple swap ensures your soup is completely plant-based while still delivering that authentic, deep umami flavor. It's a straightforward process that yields fantastic results every time. Now let's talk about the stars of the show, miso paste and vegetables. Miso comes in various types like white, yellow, and red. White miso is generally milder and slightly sweet, perfect for a lighter soup, while red miso is more robust and salty. For vegetables, firm or silken tofu cubes are a classic choice, along with thinly sliced scallions and rehydrated wakame seaweed. Feel free to experiment with other quick-cooking vegetables like spinach or enoki mushrooms for added texture and nutrients. The cooking process is quite simple. First, gently simmer your kombu and dried shiitake mushrooms in about 4 cups of water for 15 minutes to create your dashi. Remove the kombu and mushrooms, then add your chosen vegetables like tofu and daikon to the simmering dashi. Cook them until tender, which typically takes around 5 minutes. Crucially, never boil the miso paste. Instead, dissolve 2 tablespoons in a small amount of warm dashi in a separate bowl before stirring it into the pot just before serving. Your delicious vegetarian miso soup is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately in warm bowls. For a beautiful presentation and an extra layer of flavor, garnish each serving with a sprinkle of freshly sliced green onions. If you enjoy a little heat, a dash of shichimi togarashi, a Japanese 7-spice blend, can add a wonderful kick. You might also consider a few drops of toasted sesame oil just before serving for an aromatic finish. Enjoy your homemade, wholesome soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.